I want to install your Chrome on my computer. It's a web browser used to access the internet. There are four easy steps to install it. First, open any browser and go to the official Google Chrome website. Then click the download button and choose the convert version for the system when the file visits visits in downloading run the internal and follow the instruction on the screen after the instruction is completely open. Chrome and start using it. Remember to have a stable internet connection and always download from the official website to avoid virus or fake version.